Wow, it's been a little bit. Okay, so hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is probably the first video that is going to be on this channel because I'm restarting from scratch. I used to post consistently on YouTube all the time. I don't anymore. This is going to be a Florida vlog. I don't know if I'm going to be splitting this up into different videos or if I'm going to keep it in one. But I'm still at home right now. Currently my room is a crazy mess. I am leaving tomorrow for Florida. And I have not packed a single thing. I have like this laid out. That is all clean laundry that I don't want to touch. It's really bad. There's my little ring light for the lighting quality. It is not good in here right now. So let me go sit right here. I know this isn't a full introductory video to this channel, but expect vlog style videos from me because that's just how I roll. Good morning, everybody. It is the next morning. I didn't show you guys what I packed last night. It's currently 6:23. I need to make my coffee and stuff. I want to get some programming done for my clients. But yeah, I'll take you along through the actual travel day for the day. It's so pretty outside. I love waking up to the sound of birds and whatnot. I think I'm just gonna work down here. Like I said, it's only, and nobody else is really up, so I don't wanna have to worry about waking them up or anything. So I'm just gonna work down here with my AirPods in. Good morning again. We just went for a DC run. This is Lainey. She's like my little sister at this point. The relationship we share is a long story, but this is Lainey. And I have to take her to gymnastics practice, and then I am going to the gym and doing my walk for 75 hard. Yeah, she still has to go to gymnastics practice today. Ugh! And then we're going to the airport.
Ryan Little.
Okay. So, I just finished legs. Hopefully the wind isn't bad. Hey guys. It was a really good leg session. I'm not gonna lie, it was short, but it was good. Something really embarrassing happened to me, which is super fun. I was moving a stool and my hydro jug was on top of it, and it literally flipped completely upside down and spilled everywhere. I gotta cue my music. But yeah, I'm just gonna go back and then eat my post-workout meal. My goal, I have to finish a full gallon before like I go through security today. So like 2 o'clock, 2:30. Nice stop, buddy. I will probably update you guys when we go to the airport now. We made it to the airport. You wanna be in the vlog, Karen? We're leaving at 4:38.
Oh, it's gonna be 3:04.
Like normally we have to go into the
Chaotic.
We made it! Oh my gosh, that sounds so relaxing. Ooh, it feels so nice. So fun. Yes, thank you. You as well. So on our flight, we had a child, didn't know what stop and no meant.
Child. It was like so annoying. He was like, you know, like the armrest? He was like jerking it up and down. He was like, are we going yet? Are we going yet? And then his mom was like, just wait, stop.
Karen! Woohoo! It's so pretty out here. Now Karen! Heck yeah! We made it! We had to run to the grocery store because there's nothing here, but this is a beautiful home. This is where we're staying. Funsies. This is her grandparents' house that we're staying at, so I don't think I'm gonna show like the entire house, obviously out of respect. Oh, I just tripped over my own feet. Are we surprised? Absolutely not. Look at it! It's so pretty out here. Out here and do it. I love it. Don't fall in, please. Thank you.
That'd be funny.
So we're gonna set you guys up right here. We got in kind of late, and it's currently 9:42 our time. I am so surprised. Hold on. Like, for traveling for majority of the day, I think I did pretty darn good.
Hi guys. Okay, I'll start with the haul.
Okay, go ahead. Start with the haul.
So, Karen is a big Diet Coke
Connoisseur.
Yep. So we got 2 cases of normal. And we got 2 cases of caffeine free for her night ones. Callie got sushi. So yeah, sushi.
Careful, you're gonna put it all over the top.
I'm sorry, babe.
Okay, and then we also got
I got chicken tenders.
chicken tenders for Bear.
So cool.
I got coffee for the morning. This isn't the healthiest option, but that's all they had.
Strawberries. We got like 3 crackers.
Here's pack number 2. Pack number 3. Some Kind nut butter bars. Karen got turkey and cheddar sliders for dim tonight. Light cream, whipped cream. Some more. Well, we got Cliff Z bars. Oh my god. Cinnamon toast of the crunch for the morning. Eggo waffles because it's classic. Chicken nude soup from Panera. I got a sandwich because I, yet again, had barely ate anything today and I need to cap off my calories because gains. Some ranch condiments, some brown sugar cinnamon pastry crisps.
That's it, but this is like a brief haul. Or not a brief haul. Brief
It's
shopping.
like just little because we just had to get what we needed. It is currently 7:17 a.m. in Florida time. In Wisconsin, it's 6. I'm gonna be doing some work. I have to finish up a program and send out my client check-in. The plan is to just chill out this morning. Rob and Maitland are gonna be coming today at some point. I don't know where they are exactly. I can check in 360, honestly. 2 hours and 25 minutes they'll be here. Poor guys are probably so tired. It's been like almost 3 hours since I last updated you out. I'm with the bear now. We're just going for a golf cart ride around the little neighborhood and we're bringing you guys with us. Oh, whoa! Whoa! Hey! Hello, you made it!
Yeah. You were coming out here to greet us. How's it going?
We had no idea you were here, quite honestly, no. What that was her dad and brother pulled up because they drove here. I really hope all of this audio isn't just whoa. For today, we're gonna be going to Fort Myers Beach. We don't know if the guys are gonna be coming because they drove, yeah, they just drove the entire way down here.
Oh, hi guys.
We went for a Dunkin' run.
Bagel, toasted cream cheese, and strawberry, strawberry dragon fruit with lemonade.
Stop it.
You too. Knock it off.
It's not me, it's him. It's him.
We made it to the beach. Miss Bear is already tanning. We already put on sunscreen and whatnot.
Look there.
Cute. We're just gonna lounge around for a little while and then take some pictures and whatnot. Nope, don't touch it. Okay, we just took a ton of pictures. Unfortunately, I didn't take or like have a video of us doing so, but I'm gonna have some boom chicka pop. Are you gonna eat some?
Yeah, probably. And I'm gonna have some blue bowls. And what did I get to drink? Water. Because water is hydrating.